This is a Mobilvetta Design Admiral Fiat Ducato campervan. This is at the very top end of a campervan costs from Fiat Ducato. All this one here is only 77,530. And you say only, well, if you see the cost of some of the other things, then you would understand why I actually said that. Okay, so this empty weight, well, we're probably looking at around 3,100, and so it gives 400 kilos of additional payload. It's very elegant, this one. So this is why you choose a Mobilvetta design rather than one which costs, say, 15,000 euros less. Elegant. And this bit here also comes out, if I can get it to come out. That is, oh, it's broken. Oh, that's this thing here is supposed to slide across. But hang on, we'll get it to slide across. Oh, it does. Sorry, no, it is now. It's broken. Sorry. Anyway, not my fault. It's broken. Molded sink, very, very elegant. I think I wouldn't be surprised if somebody had actually pulled this and forced it to be like that. This hidden sink, I think it's great with this extension, and that really is a really nice touch. That's my opinion. I think. Complete waste of time. In here we've got two burners and a glass bottle, which you probably wouldn't want to take in a vehicle of this nature because glass tends to fall down and break, particularly as the vehicle is shaking around a lot. Lovely storage up there. Look at that, wonderful backlighting, nice and shiny. Yeah, just the job. What's in here? Knives and forks. And down here, what have I got in there? It's could have done with the proper sides to the drawer. In here we've got the tower fridge. There you go, tower fridge. This one, the light's not coming on, probably because it's not on, although it does feel a bit cold. That's a bit odd, isn't it? In here we have got a shower, so this is nice and bright again. Unfortunately, got to put the false wall over to one side. As it is, it says they're push. We'll push and see what happens. Oh, you've got a place there to store things. It's put my hand in so you can see. And right, so we'll oops, I'll push it back at the correct place. I don't like the sound of that. Now we're going to bring this. Oh, right, this is the next thing which is broken. Look, this thing here is a false wall for the toilet. Now, it's been here forced back by somebody. It shouldn't be like that, and the toilet's behind there, which is, I'm going to stand out a bit actually to demonstrate this. So I've got a problem here with the getting a wider angle than that. Anyway, that's a false wall. This is the demonstration of what can happen. Actually, whereas I have made jokes about Mobilvetta's quality in the past. Well, actually not jokes, it's largely true. But you know, sellotaping it together or whatever. But in this case, I suspect that was forced by a visitor who actually broke it. I mean, whatever brand you get, if people turn up using violence on the vehicles, then these things are like to happen. Many vehicles do have that up there as well, the electrical connection. So that's not unusual. So it's not something which is not finished. It's meant to be like that. Okay, down here we've got this trolley system, as you can see, and on the other side I might be able to demonstrate this. There you go. Not only that, but as with all camper vans, the bed system will move. I'll give you a quick demonstration there. Of course, to make it move, then I'd have to take all the mattresses off. Steps up to the bed. Let's have a look at the back, if it's working. Oh, Bitte das Bett nicht selbst verstellen. Okay, so shouldn't touch. Don't. Okay, I won't. I won't do it. The bed goes up, and I should ask one of the people on the stand to do it for me. I am always very careful about what I do, and I'm very delicate for reasons that I want to come here next year, and so. If I don't know how something works, I don't touch it as a rule. What I can do, I just to demonstrate it a bit further, you can see that this will go up from here, and it goes, it'll fold up, and the mattresses you would store to one side. Here we have the gas cupboard, and of course lashing straps as you'd get with all camper vans. It's a big pity that this is in such condition now, but I dare say that this is indicative of the condition it could be end up if it were abused by anyone. Here we'll have a look at this one here. I like the colour better than this one. 6.3, it calls K6.3. This one here is 636 centimeters long, and it costs 89,000 euros. Plus, as you can see, the front is very similar. We've got this nice welcome Mobilvetta design up there, and at the back here we find lengthwise beds, what I call the German layout. As you can see, it comes up. This is a plate which fits in here, and then that cushion goes on top of the plate to make a big bed. But as it's just like that at present, I just demonstrate a little bit more. So there's the plate in action, and these bars, one of which is located on the floor down here, they're used to hold the bed to join the two parts of the bed as an additional support. So that's how that works. We'll have a look at the storage at the back here. If it's not broken. No, it's not broken yet, and that's what it looks like. Now, it's called Mobilvetta Design. The design is stupendous, but there are undoubtedly problems with it, and it shouldn't really. I do appreciate you get all sorts of people turning up who don't know how things work, such as me, and breaking them, such as me, but it shouldn't really fall to pieces that easily. So that really is, it's very disappointing actually that actually did it that way. Anyway, let's just take this out a bit, make it a bit. There we go. I haven't got the whole thing in yet. There we go. There you have Mobilvetta Design. Unfortunately, see, my gimbal comes into view. I don't know. The reason it comes, my normal gimbal gave up the ghost. Well, it didn't give up the ghost. I think it still works. It said it needed software, the latest. So, but to get the software on, you have to use Bluetooth. But the Bluetooth won't work until the software is updated. Brilliant one, DJI. But anyway, for the moment, thanks for watching. That is the Mobilvetta Design 6-meter Admiral campervan. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, and I upload every day at 21:15. So if you want to see more vehicles, that is the time to be here. 21:15 is Central European time, 20:15 in the UK, and all sorts of other times in other places. All the best from me in Dusseldorf.